lift?
Bro, I'm already on it, bro. To do the lift, you gotta be the lift.
Recording? You sure?
Yeah, it's in the red light.
Look, there's a red light.
Hey, look, ma, I made it. Hey, look, ma, I made it. Everything's coming up aces, aces. If it's a dream, don't wake me, don't wake me. I said, hey, look, ma, I made it.
I thought I was gonna catch it.
Oh shit, my bad, straight.
They wanna take my trophies.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Junior back at it again with another episode of Empire Limited. We got here truly Luis and the guy that I still can't remember his name, but yeah, let him explain what we have to do.
Alright guys, we're gonna be doing a lift on this 2014 Jeep Rubicon. It's gonna be a 4.5-inch Icon build, stage 4.
Then we're gonna add some 37-inch Nitto trail grapplers with some Icon rebound with a titanium finish.
Well, that's a roll.
Gonna show 'em a thing or two. I'm gonna turn it up, say the news. Feast your eyes, I got something new. From up here, you can't beat the view. Just watch me now. Just watch me now. I got something for you, a little more for you.
Told you guys have to be the lift. Ugh.
A little more for you. You won't believe your eyes. Just watch me now. Just watch me now.